Subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Welcome guys, welcome to the 12th Java tutorial. In this tutorial we are going something to the while and do while loop. So first of all we are discuss about do while loop. Okay, so this loop is used when there is a need to repeatedly execute a group of statement. Okay, as long as a condition is true. If the condition is false, the repetition will be stopped and the flow of execution comes out of do while loop. Okay, so first of all we see the syntax of do while loop. So first of all write do and add some parenthesis. After that give condition like while. Okay, this is the condition. So wait, so this is the syntax. So basically this is the syntax of do while loop. We are discuss our syntax with a simple program. So first of all declare a variable like int x equals to 1. Okay, and in our do statement first of all we give some give some statement like shout and print something like number, like we print something x print. Okay, and increase the and give some condition. What condition like x is less than x is less than equals to 10. Okay, and increase x plus plus like that. So what this program does, in this program we first declare our variable. After that we give a statement which we want to print. After that we give a condition on which the statement will be print. If the condition will false, the loop will terminated and output will be present on the console. Okay, after that we are giving increment in x. Okay, so first of all we run the program and see the output. Okay, so output is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. What we do in the program, like so in this program firstly x equals to 1. So it firstly prints the statement that x equals to 1 and increase the value of x with 2 and check that 2 is less than 10 or not. So it's true, then 2 is print. After that 2 is changed with 3. Check the while loop and 3 is less than equals to 10 or not, so it's true. So like this we will print the statement. So when x will be 11, so 11 is not less than equals to 10, so it's false, then its loop will be terminated and we have the output. Okay, so this is the program of do while loop. So thank you very much, and practice more and more to perfect the in Java. Okay, so bye and see you soon, and like and subscribe our channel. Thank you very